Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about the valence electron and the Lewis symbol for an element one. It is very important topic. Now you know that during the formation of any chemical bond, two or more atoms involves, isn't it? And the chemical bond formation takes place by the valence electrons one. Now what are the valence electron? Now you know that the electrons that are present in outermost orbit or cell with higher energy are known as an valence electron one, and they take part in the bond formation one. The J.N. Lewis introduced the notation for the representation of valence electrons one. Okay, valence electrons that are present in the atom. J.N. Lewis introduced the notation, and that notation is generally used to show the number of valence electrons which is present in an atom one. So that notation is generally known as the notation is called as Lewis symbol, or it is also called as electron dot symbol one. Okay, so here your Lewis symbol consists of two parts one. Now which are that two parts? It is very easy one. The first part consists of the symbol of element. The first part is the symbol of an element, okay, that you already know, and the second part is the surrounding dots one. Okay, second part is the surrounding dots. So always remember, the Lewis symbol consists of two parts. First one is the symbol of an element, and second one is the surrounding dots one. Now let us see what these two parts represent to us one. Now remember here, okay, first, if I am going to consider the symbol of an element, generally represents the nucleus of an element, elements and the electrons present in orbit or cell one. Okay, for example, if I am going to consider the magnesium, atomic number 12, its electron configuration will be the 2,8,2. Is it right? We know that this outermost energy level is nothing but your valence shell, okay, and 2,8 will be your inner orbital. So here we have to consider the Lewis symbol for an element. We are going to simply write the symbol of the element, but this symbol of the element represents the nucleus of this magnesium one. We know that nucleus consists of protons one, okay, along with the inner electrons one. Okay, now second, if I am going to consider the surrounding dots, what is the meaning of surrounding dots one? So it is very simple. What about the surrounding dots? Now here your surrounding dots represents the valence shell electrons one, okay, that are present in the outermost orbit of an element one. For example, let us consider the example of this particular magnesium one. Okay, here Mg will be the symbol and this 2 dot I have drawn here represents, these surrounding dots are nothing but the valence electrons one. Okay, so this is the simple representation of your Lewis symbol for an element Mg along with these 2 dots one. Now here, after studying these 2 important points, we can conclude that whenever we have to consider the Lewis symbol, we have to write down this symbol of the element along with the surrounding dots one. Your Lewis symbol generally represents the symbol of the element and its valence electron one. Okay, now let us consider the another example, that is, okay, it will have the 5 valence electron. So I have shown as a Lewis symbol for the nitrogen atom. Example, aluminium. Aluminium, its valence shell consists of the 3 electrons, therefore I have written 2 in pair, 1 single electron. Then next considered silicon, it will have the 4 electrons in its valence shell, so I have written the 4 electrons here one. Okay, now next considered the chlorine. Here it will have the 7 valence electrons and this is the Lewis symbol, okay, for an element one. So here remember, the bonding electrons generally shown with an appropriate position one. So here generally in the Lewis symbol, the electrons are shown in the pairs one. Okay, what is the use of this particular Lewis symbol? So here remember, this Lewis symbol gives an idea about the normal valency of an element one. Okay, that means how much electrons can be gained by that atom, or how much electron can be lost by that atom, or it can be shared by that atom. So this is the importance of your Lewis symbol. This is the importance of this particular simple topic, but it is very interesting and the very important topic one. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel.